veux que bombarder, bombarder. Tu veux que...
So guys, welcome to the YouTube video. Welcome to this video. If you are new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. And I do dance and dance challenges for you guys to do out there. Now, sorry for taking you guys so long. It has been long. Guys, it's literally been long since I come up here to do dance tutorial for you guys. I just say I should come up here, guys, to continue my streak right now. I know you guys are missing me right now, but I miss you guys too. So let's dive right into the video. So the video I'll do today is I've been a pina, bombardé, bombardé, bombardé. I think that it's an easy dance tutorial, guys. So in case you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to those niggas out there or your friends or family that are out there that want to learn this dance actually. Let's go right to the challenge once more. For the first step, guys, is 5, 6, 7, 8. You kick to the right, slide. I think guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You kick to the right, slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick to the right, slide. So kick to the left. Bombardé, bombardé. I think that. So once you kick to this side, you kick to this side. That means your left leg kick to the other side. I think that. Let's go. 5, 6 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. I follow me, guys. You're getting the gist right now, guys. You're getting the gist. Let me start. 5, 6, 7, 8. I see, guys. So in case I just see me for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, guys, and share it to anybody that want to dance this dance actually. Now let's dive right into the video one more time. Let's just try one more time before we go to the next step. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the first step, guys. So the next step is do hands like this, then 1, 2, side. Just got side, guys. After once you kick forward, you kick to your left leg, to the other side, then 1, 2. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I get him, guys. So let's go from start. I think, guys. Hope you got me, guys. Hope you got me. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bombardé. I think, guys. Now after that, the next step we do is what you do 1, 2. The next step is 1, 2. Cross your arm. 1, 2. Let's go and start. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I follow him. Just 1, 2, 1, 2. It's easy, guys. It's an easy dance to try, guys. Please, I'm not subscribed to this channel. Kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe down below. Like this. Let's go, guys. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, that's just that. The next important one is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Is 1, 2, 1, 2. I follow you. Please. 1, 2, 1, 2. Everyone, start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lemagina, bombali, bombali, Listen, guys, hope you follow up on this extent. Now, this is the dance tutorial basically. So, this is dance tutorial. I don't need to go for a minute. So, this will not be too long for you guys. So, guys, let's dive right into the dance tutorial one more time in fast pace and in slow pace. And let's start it first. Start it up on the slow pace. Go on slow pace, guys. So, slow pace. 5, 6, 7, 8. Animuchina, bombali, 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 bombali. I think, guys, slow pace about now. Add the slow pace for the dance. Make sure you catch up with it. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Let's go to the next step. 5. The fast pace now. This is fast pace time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Animagina, get go, bombali, 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 bombali. So that's dance tutorial basically. That is it. In case you do dance tutorial from this channel, can you tag hashtag Teoluckzboom on your video so I can reshare it for you guys. And I'll be back fully now, guys. I'll be back fully for you guys. Dance tutorial. Just comment dance tutorial in the comment section. If you find any step difficult, comment in the comment section, guys, and I'll attend to you guys. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for dance tutorials, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.